The newly redesigned Chick-fil-A Dwarf House in Hapeville, Georgia is a destination restaurant you don't want to miss.
We're here at the original Dwarf House. This is the very first Chick-fil-A and it's very sunny out. So I'm going to go
in Hapeville, Georgia, right by the airport. As you can see, they have totally redone this.
Truett and his brother Ben named the restaurant the Dwarf Grill because of its modest size. Despite its small size, it quickly grew. More than 70 years later, the Dwarf House continues to give customers a glimpse into the beginning of the Chick-fil-A franchise.
We must go through the little dwarf door. Anybody in? What?
Hello? Anybody? Yay, people are in there. Not.
This down here where these people are sitting, look for the placement of the windows, door, 4 booths, and 10 stools. They got a little playground here. Oh, look, see, here's where it was, right here. Tasty food. 1946, 57, 67, 21. Okay, we're in 20, and we can only go through the drive-thru. Wouldn't let us in. Back in 1946, waffles for 20 cents, bacon 15 cents, iced tea was 5 cents, Coke was 5 cents. Bacon tomato sandwich, ooh, 25 cents. So this was where the original counter was. Now it's outside.
Getting all these.
Booths. This represents where the original Chick-fil-A was. Dwarf House. Let's see. On the spot in 1946, Truett Caffey and his brother Ben opened the Dwarf Grill. Named for its small size, it only had 4 booths and 10 countertop stools. Check out these big waffles.
These aren't waffles.
They are.
Fries.
They're waffles.
These are not waffles. These are fries.
It's like a lemon.
That's a lemon. That's a what?
You say fry. I was thinking waffle.
Does it look like?
Are these pickles then?
Yeah, those are pickles.
Okay, what's this?
I don't know. Do you know?
No.
It's black.
This was the inside of the Dwarf House. They have all the stained glass. Certificate is proudly flown for the Chick-fil-A Dwarf House. Want to sit by me or by yourself?
Oh, I'm gonna sit by you.
Okay. We finally made it. We're gonna eat at the Dwarf House, Chick-fil-A, the original Dwarf House here in Georgia. I see out there, there's the original stained glass. Look, there's the original counter and stools. No okra today, lemons. Well, I got tea. So they have a lot of breakfast, sides, platters. They got a lot of stuff here.
Why? Hi, boy. Hi, boy.
So, Robbie, we're here at the Chick-fil-A here right by the airport here in Atlanta. And it's pretty massive. It's humongous. It's like a destination restaurant. It's quite impressive. And I'm waiting for my waffles and chicken. Robbie ordered okra and water with lemon and iced tea. The chicken on it. Here it is. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay, I want to bite. I want to
My
bite.
chicken is over here. What about your okra? You gonna eat my chicken? My waffle? That's a good bite there. How is it?
Good. I'm glad she suggested this.
Is it delicious?
It's hot and good.
It looks delicious and hot. 5 orders. Woo! Yummy. Look at little stickers. You want a little sticker, Robbie?
Wait, no, this goes on your phone.
Medium. have the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Let's see what happens when they come back around. Got a shovel, pickaxe. His bag is empty. Bag is empty. Empty, empty. I think there's two sets of dwarves that work here. They go down there, they come out, and they have full bags. Now watch when they come back out, Robbie. Their bags are empty, right? Think they'll be full when they come back? I think it's different dwarves. What do you think? Look, now they got full bags.
They got a lot of gold.
I think it's different ones. What do you think?
I think they're all the ones that didn't have anything is on the back.
Yeah. I think they swapped.
Sleepy in the back.
Sit there for me. Sit in there. This is the self-order fast counter. Sit over here on this side. Bathrooms. Check it out. Look, carry out.